What's up, everybody? Wanted to bring you the news. Some of you guys might have to trade a few other tickers out there. I wanted to make this video right here, just kind of tell everybody, because the last time a 3x ETF got delisted, I got a million messages about what does this mean. And it means it's going away, as in it's gone. Kind of like Hertz, where they said they're going bankrupt, except for not, where it's going to be worth zero. Delisted. Out of the picture. No more. And I'll read off which ones they are. Right? Here we are. Credit Suisse announces its intent to delist and suspend further issuances of its Velocity shares and ETNs. ugld, USLV, dgld, DSLV, UGAZ DGAZ. There are other tickers. I have faith we will make it through this. ZIV, most of you guys probably don't even know which one that is. VIX and TVIX, which means your buy and hold strategy. Buy and wait for the pop. Here it comes. Just keep adding on. You're gonna have to sell, or it's gonna sell for you because it's going away. And I say that sarcastically because I know a lot of you guys' strategy with the TVIX is I'll just buy it and keep averaging on and keep adding on, wait for the pop, and then it'll finally sell. And then I know a lot of you guys like to only trade UGAZ and DGAZ. So, good news is, over 7,000 tickers you can trade. Those random 4 letters, you can find some more. Now these are the 3x ETFs. There is still, UNG for natural gas. That's all I got for you. I don't really trade any of the other ones personally, so I would just do a quick Google search if you were stuck on trading natural gas. They're just getting rid of the 3x ETF. I know UNG is the, I don't know if there's an inverse for UNG. But they actually will be suspended. Here's the list down here. I will put this link in the description. But it looks like July 10th and July 10th, 2020. The delisting of these will become effective on July 12th. So it looks like you, there's a lot of dates on here. So, as a part of a continuing effort to monitor and manage its suite of exchange-traded notes, they have decided to delist the foregoing ETNs with a view to better align its product suite with a broader strategic growth plans. Accordingly, Credit Suisse anticipates that the New York Stock Exchange ETNs will continue to trade on ARCA up to and including July 10th. Will continue to trade on NASDAQ market up to including July 2nd. The delistings of the ETNs will become effective July 12th. In addition, they will suspend further issuances effective July 22nd. And will suspend further issuances, I can't read, sorry guys, of the ETNs effective July 3rd. So, I'd say July, you're out of time. Get rid of them. That means it's gone, going away, delisted. And I make this video like this because I know how many messages I got when UWT and DWT went away. You guys asked me, what does this mean? And I don't mean to be mean when I say this, but that's exactly what it means. It's going away. So, if you like your money won't go away. They'll actually sell it for you and just give you your credit. But I sarcastically told a lot of you guys, like, do you want your money to go away? Then I wouldn't put it in there. So for the remaining of these times, I expect it to just be wild. Be careful if you're going to try to jump in that. But yeah, wanted to give you guys a heads up. Anyway, links in the description, just a quick video for you to kind of post it, to let everybody know, at least my followers know, that they are going away. UGAZ, DGAZ, TVIX, gone. We'll have to trade some other tickers. But fortunately for you, I do go over plenty of tickers on Sunday and Wednesday when I go live on YouTube. And I will see you guys there.